So guys, good morning. What's up? It's holiday here in Trinidad. I'm here now. Same thing. Filipino in Caribbean. Here in Trinidad and Tobago. Guys, what's up for my video today? We will make videos in Trinidad and Tobago because it's Labor Day today. So we will make a nice video for the contribution of Trinidad and Tobago. We will start here in Savannah. We going down to the statue and Napa, and then we will see. We'll go to Port of Spain doing vlog, and that is for my video for today. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, guys. Once again, this is Filipino in Caribbean in Trinidad and Tobago. God bless you all, guys, and ciao. tayo ng tawag ito, coconut. Tayo. Yan, sa Bana na yan, oh. Yan na, makikita nyo yung maraming event dyan. Post. So, yan, titinda na. Hi, good day, sir. Sir, can I have one?
KFC, it's finger licking good. Boris Hall Puncher, 3 over 5. Punchy bring on lives, tasty, Vegetarian, leading the week. The Jade Monkey Dog. Value Optical and Split Options. Creamery Novelties. High Violence Amusement Park. Millennium Sound Company. Excellent.
How much is it?
Mission Limited Time.
Wala akong buko. Mahal dito, 15, $15 na.
And Talk City takes you back to the crickets. Playing on the screen for life.
Expected to put that away, and maybe honestly looking at a change of pace there. He does do a few cutters, but he's not getting it right. A full bonger there. I say thank you very much. You see, he can smile as much in front of his stocks as he has done today, which would suggest that there's been some relief as far as he's concerned in getting a score. He has been a little bit on the par. We've spoken exhaustively about the challenging pitches. He's enjoying this one today.
So yan, tapos na tayo kumain. O, inom ng tubig. So punta tayo ng Port of Spain. We'll go now in Port of Spain. So dadaan tayo dito. Punta tayo dito. Ituturo ko kayo dito sa the Port of Spain. Sarap na buko. Init kasi dito eh. So lalakad tayo papunta Port of Spain. Papasyal ko kayo. So that one, Savannah, we here in Savannah. So napakaganda ng Trinidad and Tobago, di ba? Trinidad and Tobago is a nice place. So I'll show you now Port of Spain. We'll walk around the city. We'll start here in Savannah. So we have plenty sidewalk vendors here. Selling sila ng mga buko, mga palamig. This building is a Ministry of Health. This building is Ministry of Health. So bago lang po yan. This is the new Ministry of Health. So that one naman, that is a blood bank. Diyan kayo mag-check ng blood. Isang puti na building. So we'll go to the next side now. I will tour you the next side of Port of Spain. So those street, the street ahead is going to Port of Spain. This is where we headed. The street we face in is Belmont. This is Belmont area. So this is going to Port of Spain. straight ahead is Chinatown, Charlotte Street. So that street there, that street there, going to Frederick Street. So, holiday in Trinidad and Tobago, Labor Day. Na-implement nila yung Labor Day nila since 1973 ata. Dahil pinuprotektahan nila yung mga, as usual, yung nagtatrabaho, mga workers. Kasi, noong una kasi panahon dito, marami mga slave eh. So, walang labor. So, unfair labor justice sila. Nung na-implement na yung labor system nila, ayun, nagiging maayos na yung pagtatrabaho at pagtrato nila sa mga nagtatrabaho dito, mga worker. So, I'm glad to be here at Trinidad and Tobago kasi ayos yung gobyerno nila. At yung mga tao naman dito, mabait. So, yun lang. Napakaganda ng Trinidad. So, this building now, this on the left side, this building on the left side is the General Hospital Port of Spain. So, public hospital po ito. Public hospital po ito sa Trinidad and Tobago. That's it. See that? That is General Hospital. So dati maraming Pilipino dyan nagtatrabaho. Yung mga dumating dito late 2009, maraming mga Pilipino dyan dumating nagtatrabaho. So malaking hospital yan. Oh. So this is Port of Spain now. This is Port of Spain. At still this General Hospital. I think this is Chinese company here doing construction. As you can see, that's the straight going to Charlotte Street and Chinatown. Hello sir, good morning. So that's it. That's the General Hospital. So pupunta kayo dito, ito nakikita niyo, ito yung sa side galing sa Sabana, papuntang town. Lusot dito, Charlotte Street. This one going to Frederick Street, going to Gordon Street. This one is going to Gordon Street. Andyan yung penitentiary prison nila dyan. So yun, doon yung Port of Spain. Kita nyo yung Port of Spain. Doon yung Port of Spain. So mag-ingat lang kayo dito. Be safe. You will pass here. Kasi sana naman maraming crime. So just be vigilant. So, Trinidad and Tobago is a nice place. Just be careful with what you're doing and be respectful to the locals. See, KFC. That's it. So this is the Port of Spain. Okay. So that's it guys, that is the end of our video for today. This is Filipino and Caribbean. Please subscribe and like my video guys. That is our video for the Labor Day in Trinidad and Tobago. Hope you enjoy it and ciao.